Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a slice in M1 Finance. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add a slice. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log onto your M1 Finance account. Then click on Invest. Now select the portfolio which you want to go ahead and add a slice to. And then what we're going to do is that we're going to click on the tab next to that rectangular white icon towards the bottom. So click on that tab and then this menu here should pop up. Next, click on Edit and then you're going to click on Add a Slice. So what this is going to do is that you can add slices to this pie, whether it's stocks, funds, model portfolios, or watch lists, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add a slice to M1 Finance. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.